Hi, I'm Aidan Newett. I am a Blue intern and I go to Franklin College. I think Blue really focuses on the interns' right to succeed. I think they really focus on giving you the most opportunity. They treat you as a full-time staff rather than just an intern who go gets coffee like you hear all the time. So being able to be treated like you actually are full-time staff and have the responsibilities like that helps really us grow. I really enjoy problem solving, and with a variety of different clients, it allows me to try something new and almost get out of my comfort zone. Everyone here has been super helpful and they know how to have fun outside of the work life. So being able to keep that work-life balance was something super important to me. I think if you're going into accounting, this is a place where you can really learn and grow the most. Being able, as it's not too big, it's not too small, you still have the opportunity to make the connections and really just learn the most about the accounting field.